This is Kenzo, Extra Hot Forex. Today is Wednesday, and I just want to go through US30 and NASDAQ 100. So before we do that, please hit that like and subscribe so that you don't miss any daily updates. So for you maybe to get some free indicators or some free updates on my Telegram group. Here it's my Telegram group, Kenzo Extra Hot. You can search that, it's public. You can get some indicators, some documents which can help you maybe to improve uh, your trading career. So there is different indicators and everything, different materials that you can get on this channel, on my Telegram channel. So let's just go straight to US30, then I will end up with NASDAQ 100. So you can see that US30 was just going up. I'm on a 4-hour time frame. So let me remove this. So if you still remember, or if you checked my previous video, I think now you know that we had this resistance for some time now. You can see it from this point. We've been having that resistance for some time now. Even here we had this support for some time, but now our market broke here. You can see the market just broke that resistance. Then we had this one which was never tested before, but you can see here the market respected this resistance now. So it means that we can now count on it. So when the market reaches this point, we can expect the market to pull back, to go down again. So let me go to a smaller time frame, but this one now is going to be our support. You can see the market is about to come to this point. The market can still push up. The market can still go up. So let's go to a smaller time frame. On a smaller time frame, we can see that we had this sort of a support, or somewhere here the market was just going up and down. You can see that the market was just going up and down. So here we have something like a breakout, but it's not really clear because the market was just jumping around. You can see if maybe I put it here, still it won't make sense because here is the way the market is at the moment. So it means we will remove this one and stick to let me use this and stick to this area. We can now rely on it as our support because it's been our resistance for some time. I showed you on a bigger time frame that this has been our resistance. You can see it's been our resistance for some time now. You can see this point. The market was just respecting that area. So we expect the same thing to happen. We expect the same thing to happen. The market to come and respect this point and go up. Also, we also expect the market to respect this area. Then the market can start to consolidate. I hope you see that. So you can see here. So if you want some daily signals, I have a WhatsApp group which it's $15 to join. So if you want to join, you can just WhatsApp me or on my Telegram. So I also had something like this. You can see here the market was respecting this area. So if maybe you just use the trend line and stuff, it means that the market just broke here. You're waiting for it to retest here, then the market can push down, but not forgetting these areas. You see, not forgetting these areas, because you can see it really makes sense. Let me remove few of this resistance and support. but when you trade, please, you should know that this thing still exists. So here it's like we waiting for retest, then the market can go down, you see, but the market can still struggle a little bit on this support when it comes back here. So, or maybe you can just say, because it's very close to each other here, when the market bounce here, you can just wait for market to break this one also. Or if maybe you are an aggressive trader, you can just take it. Then when it comes to here, around this point, you can just lock your profit. Then if it breaks here, we expect the market to go down again. You see that? So I hope you understand. Let's go straight to NASDAQ 100. Okay, so here we are on NASDAQ 100. I hope you can see everything. We all know that the market was just going down. We were on a bearish momentum. You can see everything, it's just going down, but at least yesterday the market recovered. So, but even if we have this nice downtrends, but you can see here we still had this strong support. The market broke here, but here the market also, let me put this thing here. The market respected this point several times, but broke, retested, went down. Here the market came and respect. Even now the market still respect this point. You can see that this point, it's very strong, guys. So, but we can't say we expect the market just to go down for the whole month or for the whatever time. So, but by what we see, because we don't just trade what we think, I see here the market is respecting this point because we have this resistance and we also have this one. So the market, it can easily go down, but it's also possible that the market can just break this point. But after it breaks this point, obviously we are waiting for it to come and retest, then we can go higher. I hope maybe you can see that. So let me go to a bit smaller time frame. Maybe we can see what's really going on there. Okay, on an hour time frame, I won't go to a 15 minutes because that is very too small for me. That's how I trade. You can see this point, the market was just respecting this point. Here the market broke, but after the market broke here, came again and retested here. When we say the market retest, we mean something like this. The market break this point, go down, come again, maybe 3 times around there, then the market then just drop. The market came here again. You can see even here, even if the candlesticks never reach that point, but just know this, it's a zone, it's not like 2 lines. So even here, or okay, now we can say even here, I see something now. It seems like we have a breakout. I don't know if maybe you can see that. You can see the market. Let me show you this again. The market, let me draw this line, then you can see the market broke this line, then came here and retested here and go down. You can see here the market just came several times. So even here, I don't know if maybe you can see that even here similar stuff, but on a upside way, the market breaks this point, come here. I think maybe it might be a retest. Maybe when the market opens, the market can push up. I don't know if here it's something like this. The market breaks here, come retest here, then push up. Here is the market breaks, come retest, then the market goes down. I hope maybe you can see that. It's just that it's the same thing, but the other one it's upside, the other one it's downside. I hope you can see. So I think the market can just do something like this, but since we also have this one, it's very strong, then we will just wait for it to break this one, then we can just go like that. You see, because this one is also stronger. Because sometimes if you ignore this one, if you ignore this one, our resistant, our downtrend resistant, let me go to a bigger time frame so that you can see. Because this thing just respects its trend line. You can see the market was just respecting this point. So if maybe we ignore this one and focus on the breakouts here, it means that we can just place a buy here, for example, then the market push up. When it reaches this point, then we have a very strong bearish momentum, which we will just lose. So the best way is to ignore this point. If you want to buy, wait for it to sorry to reach this point, to break and retest, then we can go higher. But if that doesn't happen, it means the market can still bounce here and go lower. So I hope maybe you understand everything, guys. If you don't understand, I still have WhatsApp group. It's $15. Let me send you daily signals, uh, also daily analysis, which you can get from other mentors, which they will just make one video in a month, and then you pay like $200. But if maybe you don't think so, still we go just check my daily analysis, then you can enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Thank you.